Good morning guys. Good afternoon pala guys kasi magla-lunch na. Magpe-prepare na ako ng lunch ni Onyx pero gawin ko ay magtutoast lang ako. Itutoast ko na lang. Try ko maggawa ng toast cheese sa kanya. Wait, mommy will make first lunch for you. Okay, get the remote. Give to mommy. Okay, go. Go. Ito na guys. Nilagay ko na dito yung sandwich. Ayan. Kaya ako naman magpe-prepare na naman ako ng aking lunch.
Soft like falls, can you see? In your mind, set you free.
Kain tayo lunch guys. Ito yung aking lunch. Rice with mackerel and salad. Oh. Ang batang ayaw matulog, ayaw kumain ng sandwich niya. Cheese sandwich yan guys. Kainin siya ng ganoon. Ngayon, kahit tikman niya, ayaw niya. You say sorry to mommy? Sorry because you don't eat your lunch? Huh? Can you eat your lunch? Onyx? Can you eat your lunch? Shh. Mommy's talking to you. Can you eat your lunch?
No.
Why? Just try. Try first. Can you try to bite? Just try to bite. Huh? Okay, you are not hungry. You hungry, but you need to eat your lunch then. Huh? Nilaturan ko sa guys ng french fries. French fries, mama. French fries.
Wait, was it? Scratches was
You don't want. He wants french fries, mama.
Scratches was funny.
Boy. French fries. Okay, mommy's cooking french fries. Yan ang gusto niyang lunch. Oh, french fries. Nilutuan ko siya. Yan, kumakain na. Parang doon eh. Parang doon, maghugas na lang. Ang hugasin guys, oh, ang dami. Ayan oh. Hugasan dapat yan ni Bianan, pero sabi ko ako na lang. Kasi gusto ko maglinis. Gusto ko maglinis para maano yung matagtag yung kinain ko. Para bumaba pala yung kinain ko guys. Kaya gusto ko ako linis.
Soft like yours, can you see? 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 In your mind, set you free. Free. Hold on tight, let it be. 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 Feel the sound, let it breathe. Breathe. Building up, soaring high, 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 high. In the dark, find the sky, sky, sky. Hear the beats, let it fly, 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 fly. In your heart, it's alive. Live, rise like a phoenix, rise up high. We can touch the stars, the sky's the sky. Lift your soul and don't ask why. Feel the fire, reach the high.
Ay, nako guys. After 2 hours, nakatulog na din. 3 o'clock na natulog. Tingnan nyo. My goodness. Kakahintay ko matulog. 2 o'clock na. Kain tayo ng cherry na lang. Pagod akong marami siyang pinapakuskus niya dito, pakuskus doon. Kailangan ko, ganun-ganun ko para matulog. Hanggang paana, wala pa rin. 2 hours. Before 2 hours pa natulog. Pinapagalitan ko ng matulog. Pero, wala talaga. Pero at least, after 2 hours, nakatulog na din. Sana maaga siyang may gising para ilalabas ko siya. Para labas kami dalawa. Lumabas pala ako guys kasi pupunta ako sa magpapadevelop ako ng photo kasi gusto ni mama ay may photo sila ni Onyx saka sa kaya magpadevelop muna ako. Ayan guys, padevelop muna ako. Namatay siya kasi may email na dumating. Ano ba yan? Sabi ko, maghanap na lang ako ng picture frame ng paglalagyan niya ng picture para para may paglalagyan siya pag magkapadevelop ako ng picture. Yan lang guys, ng police. Maghanap muna tayo. Dito ko sa entrance ng St. Anne's. Hinihintay ko yung asawa ko kasi parating na siya. Malapit na daw sa dito. Wala ko sa plano na maghanap ako ng t-shirt para sa pamangkin niya kasi nagpapabili siya sa kanya ng t-shirt. Kaya ayun, sabi niya hintayin ko daw siya para dalawa kami magpipili. Para siguro matawagan niya yung ate niya tsaka i-video namin kung anong gusto niyang t-shirt na itim. Hi guys, dumaan kami sa shop. Ayan na. Is not expecting na dumaan kami sa shop. Tapos hinihintay ko lang siya sana na punta kami sa Sports Direct na maghanap ng damit para sa pamangkin niya. Kasi ayan, napadaan kami. Naparami tuloy ang bili. Yung ginapabili sa kanya ng pamangkin niya, hindi namin nabili. What is that? Since this afternoon, they doing that. Test. Ice cream. But it's cold. We are home. We'll see what they are doing with her mamaya. Cheers. Hello, boy. Shh. Hello. Hello, boy. How are you, boy?
Hai, du-te la mami. Hai, du-te.
Mamam.
Du-te la mami. Hai,
Mamam.
du-te la mami.
How are you?
Hai.
Onyx.
Dar și unde? De
Time to
dormea?
sleep.
Era acasă de dormea?
Onyx.
Da, dormea.
Nah, Mama is talking to you, Onyx.
Aha, și le...
Wait,
Ha?
Ani,
Yes.
how about milk? You have milk? No milk.
We share my milk tomorrow.
What? Take a video. Caramba.
I will take a video with Mama, and then Mama can watch his face tomorrow again.
Video, vlogger. Cine o chis?
Onyx, time to sleep.
Hai, time to sleep. Sleep back. Cât de ceasul e? 8? Okay, we going higher. Mommy, sleep.
Hai, stați, mă.
No sleep.
E 8, ți-am zis. Da, e 8 ceas.
Bye bye. Onyx, bye bye. Okay. Come, Daddy. We sleep now. We leave Onyx here.
Păi mă întreb pe mine.
Look, he scratched in there.
Ce zic?
You scratch.
Ask him. Ask him.
Can you clean that? Look, it's white there. Clean. Clean there, yeah. Clean.
That's
clean.
Onyx for clean. He said it's clean.
Gurița, mă, te-ai zgâria. He scratch, ba, upo.
Cu
He
astea.
scratch.
Cu iete cu o mașină.
What's
He
up,
scratch that one. Why?
Mașină
It's
se
so
fac.
funny. He scratch. Look, he did scratch already.
He's not this gonna. He's scratched with the toys, I think.
Mașinuțele, mă.
He scratch. Ce mai ai? Ia. You scratch. I said to you, don't touch the walls. Don't touch
Take a video,
the...
Daddy is mad.
Come here. Petek.
Onyx, Daddy will protect you.
Come here. Petek.
Onyx say tap. Onyx, come out, say good night to the guys. Come on.
Petec.
Tell to Mama good night. Tell to Mama good night with the Romanian language. Onyx, come on, go.
Who is Bob?
I don't know. Why you,
Ce
ask,
prepară?
why you asking me? Onyx.
Ai tras părțul, dar nu știu de la ce trage părțul. Că bun.
Onyx.
It's good.
Bine că trage, că să...
Baby? Hey, baby's gonna call us, right? So, he's just woke up.